In this video, I will show you how to send a partner gift on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So first what you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. Now the partner gift option is available when you reach board 5, and basically you're going to get different events now and again. As you can see, there's currently a Halloween car event, and what's going to happen to send a partner gift, you're going to see these options in the middle. So you can see actually someone sent me a gift. So this little picture here with this person's avatar and the up arrow means they've sent me a gift. So if I press onto this, you can see that what's going to happen, we're going to start building our car, and we're probably going to receive some gifts if they've sent us enough points. So in this case, I've received some dice. Now to go ahead and actually send a partner gift, what you need to do is collect the icons to spin this wheel on this mini game. And what you can do is go ahead and spin the wheel. You can change, of course, how big the prize is by changing the multiplier over here. So I'm going to leave this set to 1. And when you spin this, there's actually one called partner. Now when you actually land on the partner space on this wheel, what's going to happen, that's going to automatically send your partner some gifts, and they're going to be able to use those points to, in this case, upgrade their car in this mini game. So you just want to keep going around collecting these from the board. So you can see these wheels are on board spaces, so you want to roll the dice and keep rolling until you land on the board spaces with these wheels. Once you've collected the wheels, you can go ahead and spin the wheel in the mini game. And as mentioned, if you land on the space which says partner, that's going to send partner gifts on Monopoly Go. So that's how to go ahead and send a partner gift on Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.